Welcome to WordPress School. You are going to learn many things from this channel about the WordPress School, WordPress CMS. So let's see our list of the initial process, what we are going to learn. So here is the 10 item we are going to learn. I will show you how to done these things in your WordPress website or your client site. So start from the one. Here you can see how to set up WordPress in live server, local server. That means I see around some people searching for how to set up WordPress CMS in live server or local server. As we know, live server already have the apps which is called WordPress, so it's mostly easy to set up in live server. But about the local server, who are the developer or new learner, they have to practice in their local server, so need to set up WordPress in local server. So I'll show you how to do it. Then second one, how to upload theme and plugin in WP through the server. That means you are not going to set up this plugin or theme by through the WordPress dashboard. I will show you how to set up these two things directly from the server or file manager. Now, number 3, how to increase PHP memory limit in WordPress. As we know, WordPress has some PHP memory which is very limited amount of there. We need to increase that sometimes due to upload a plugin, upload a theme demo or a big theme upload size. Then we need this memory have to increase. So I'll show you how to increase this PHP memory limit. Number 4, how to backup and migrate WordPress website. This is the most important and very valuable topic. How you can make a backup for your WordPress website by manually. Live server has some features to do that. So this is the important for local server or migration things need to do same things, because if you want to migrate your WordPress website to another hosting or another domain, then you will have these things to do. So number 5 is how to set up SMTP for WordPress website. These things is little complicated things. SMTP is a email sender things. Sometimes we cannot get email from the PHP server, then we have to set up this SMTP. 6 number, how to design a pop-up box in WordPress website. I hope you are seen some pop-up box in many websites. They are asking or advertising many things when you enter the site, and it comes out from the center or anywhere from your window and showing some thing to do and showing something to submit a form, email, anything, lead collection. That's called the pop-up. So how we can build it, I will show you. How to design a simple slider in WordPress by Revolution slider plugin. As you know, we can see some image sliding, text sliding. So I will show you and teach you how to make a slider with the Revolution slider plugin. How to create multi-step form in WordPress by contact from 7 plugin. We know all about this contact from 7 plugin, but how we can set up a multi-step form. Hope you know what is multi-step form. That means from first step you have to click the next, then it will go next step, that is the multi-step form. So 9 number is how to design custom header and footer by Elementor in WordPress. We all know about the Elementor. Elementor has the biggest area captured by their facility in WordPress CMS. But in this question, I will show you how to build a header and footer with Elementor free plugin. As we know, we can't use Elementor free version to design a header and footer. Only Elementor Pro version has the facility, but there is a way how to design this header and footer with free version Elementor. So at the last for this session, 10 number question is how to design a mega menu in WordPress website by free plugin. So please subscribe and click the bell buttons to get everything updated instantly. You will learn many things in this channel. Let's hope for the best. Bye bye.